Hello students, today in maths we will start our new chapter 4, parts and wholes. Before starting our textbook, we have to revise some basic points about this topic. First of all, see what are parts and wholes. Parts and wholes are the ratio or a fraction that represent a relationship between a part and its whole. To make it clear, I will explain this topic through some diagrams. Here first I have drawn a circle and I have divided that circle into two equal parts and one part I colored it. The colored part we can say that this is the part of the whole portion, or this is the selected part this is the numerator of the whole part, and the whole part we can say denominator. This fraction we can write 1 by 2 or 1 upon 2. This way we can write and read as 1 by 2. Here the numerator is 1, that means the selected part, the colored part, and the whole part is the denominator, that is 2. To know more about this, I will explain some more figures. Our next figure is a rectangle. This rectangle I have divided into 3 equal parts and 2 parts I have shaded or colored. The 2 parts are the selected parts, and that is the part or the numerator, and the whole part, that means the 2 colored parts and the uncolored part, that together form the denominator. This fraction or this parts and wholes we can write this way: 2 by 3 or 2 upon 3, and read as 2 by 3. So this is the numerator, 2 colored parts, and the denominator is the whole part 3. This is also a rectangle. Here I have divided this rectangle into 10 equal parts. In these 10 equal parts I shaded 4 parts. That means 4 parts I selected. So this fraction we are writing 4 by 10 and read as 4 by 10 or 4 upon 10. Here the numerator is the colored part 4 and the denominator is 10. So this can be written by 4 by 10. Here see our last figure. This is a circle. This circle I have divided into 8 equal parts. See, first half, second half, again I divided, and this I have divided into 8 equal parts, and out of that 3 parts I colored. So we can write this fraction as 3 by 8 or 3 upon 8, and read by 3 by 8 or 3 upon 8. And here numerator is 3, the colored parts, and the whole figure is the denominator, that is the 8 equal parts. So some examples of fractions are 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 1 by 4, 3 by 4, etc. Here the numerator is writing above the line and the denominator is writing the below the line. That means the whole part is writing below the line and the selected part is writing above the line. So we can read this as 1 by 2 or 1 upon 2, 2 by 3 or 2 upon 3, 1 by 4 or quarter. 1 by half we can read as half also. And next one 3 by 4 or 3 upon 4. So students, I hope the basic points about this fraction you might have understood.